Okay, let's try the next question. It says here, Tamara's going to need $550,000 to buy a flat in 5 years' time. How much must she deposit now into an account offering 10% per annum compounded monthly to have the necessary funds in 5 years' time? Okay, so it's compounded monthly, and she needs this money in five. She's got what should she deposit now? So if you think of the formula, P times 1 plus, here's the interest rate to the number of periods. This is the money you start with. We want to end up with this. But it's monthly. It's 10%, 0.10 divided by 12. 5 years is 5 times 12. So all you have to do is take this and multiply it by, you divide both sides by this, or in other words, multiply it by this to the minus 60. Put it in your calculator. There's the money that she's going to need in 5 years' time. Okay, what's the effective interest rate that Tamara received each year to 2 decimal places? Well, let's look at the solution. It's going to be 1 month of interest. So the key thing is this, but to 12. See, 1 month of interest to 12, and then subtract 1. On your calculator, you'll get 0.0104 and a bunch of stuff, but it rounds off to 10.47%. Okay, let's look at the next question. Shakir has 25,000 rand to invest over 6 years. He is offered an interest rate of 13% simple interest. Ooh. What rate, compounded annually, would he be offered for the compound interest option to be better? Well, so we're going to compare the two. Let's first figure out what the simple interest would be. So here's the money he invests. There's the interest rate of 0.13 times 6 years. That's what the simple interest rate gets. Now what they want to know is what's a compound interest rate that would give the same thing. So that would be better. Okay, so let's just see here. So we're looking for the compound interest, so 25,001 plus I to the 6, to give me the same money. Let's figure out what that is. Well, we divide by 25,000, we take the 6th root, and we subtract 1. And that's it. See, divide by 25,000, take the 6th root, and subtract 1, and you get 10.09%. He'd need an interest rate. If he has 10.09, he'll get the same amount. So if he wants a little bit better, he's going to have to get more than 10.09%. That's right. I did these little calculations kind of fast, but you can see they divided. You can see they took the 6th root, and you can kind of see you have to subtract by 1. Anyways, so there you go.